Let's expand our form. I want to add family. I close that and resize my form. Add the label again. You could click and drag it, or simply hold on the Control or Command key and start dragging to duplicate it. Also for here. Okay, maybe more spacing. And for this one, I want to change to family. Alright. Press enter or return key to commit. And this is text box 2. I double click on my code. Hello, ampersand text box, and text box 2 dot again text. Let's run it. F5. Sam and Mansell. Run. Hello, Sam Mansell, but there is no space here. How can I add a space? Of course, it is very simple. Allow me to go to code. First of all, I want to capitalize that. Text box 1 the text, and I want to add a space. Simply add double quotation, space again, and use ampersand. Next one. So this string, and this value, and the space, and the next text box. Alright. Run the code. Alex and let's say welcome. Run. Hello, Alex, welcome. I want to add 1 dot by the end. Okay. How can I do that? Again, you could add it. Ampersand. Because it is text or a string. Dot. Okay. Run. Max Jones. Run. Hello, Max Jones, and dot. Okay.